Alright, today is Sunday, June 30th. We have yet another very powerful line of storms moving across the state. This one, it could be very similar to the storm that we saw a couple days ago, where we have very, very powerful winds inside of it. There have already been reports of damage from the straight line winds in the storm. I want to try to hold my ground as long as I can before it gets too dangerous. I'm not going to stay down here as long as I did last chase because that was a little dumb, but I'm definitely going to try to stay down here as long as I can before it gets too bad. My plan for this storm is to have this camera shooting video and then this bigger camera that I have next to me shooting a time lapse. That's the plan for this storm. Hopefully it doesn't get too bad. National Weather Service just got some reports of trees down near Madison. That's not a good sign, especially since we have all these boats out here. These people should probably start getting out soon, because the storm is coming, and it's coming fast. It's about 40 miles an hour. It's going to be here probably in 20-15 minutes. Storm is inching closer. You can see the edge of it right there. That cloud, the edge of our storm. There's still people out on the lake, which you guys need to move. Alright. I don't like that this is a powerful, very powerful storm, and I don't like that there's all these people around. These people gotta move. They have to get out of here. This storm has wind speeds almost 70 miles an hour in it. So these people gotta get out of here as soon as they can. It's gonna be here in like 15 minutes. Looks like you can see a shelf cloud in there. Maybe hard to make out. Sort of see one. Just above those trees, you can kind of see it. That could be a shelf cloud. Wouldn't be surprised if it wasn't. Wouldn't be surprised if it was. There's the rumble of thunder. Yeah, this storm is powerful. God, all these people gotta get out of here. All these people around, I'm nervous for them. They have to move as soon as they can. These people gotta get out of here as fast as they can. There's the warning. New warning issued. Law enforcement reported numerous trees down and power outages, so that is a very good indicator that the winds in there are more than capable of blowing over these boats. Go in. These people. This is why you always check the weather before you head out on a boat. It's gonna be here. It's gonna be here in a few minutes. We have about 15 minutes before it gets here. Yeah, it's coming. It looks like it's slowed a little bit. It's slowed a little bit. Could have a little more time. God, look at these people. Guys, keep an eye on that storm. It's coming. There's a storm coming. You might want to keep an eye on it. I'm not a fan of these people being out here. When this storm gets here, it's going to get really dangerous really fast. Wind speeds in that thing are absolutely unbelievable. You can see the shelf clouds sort of coming out of the haze a little bit. Oh man, I do not. These people got to get out of here. I warned those kayakers. Hopefully they heed the warning, and once it starts getting dark, they'll find the shoreline to head over there. God, go around. And that boat is uncovered. I do not know whose boat that is, but it is uncovered, and it absolutely could capsize in this storm. I want to try to figure out whose boat that is so I can warn him. It's coming fast. It is. There's people still out here. What the heck are they doing? I do not like. These people have to move. Go these people around. Oh, we're gonna get the brunt of this thing. We are directly in the path of all the most powerful winds in here. Radar is picking up. The National Weather Service radar is picking up wind speeds of about 60 miles an hour on the front end. The lake has cleared out a little. The lake has started to clear out, which is good. There's not as many people down here as there used to be, which is good. That means that people know that the storm is coming. Hopefully everybody can get in time. I'm worried about that boat out there. That's a paddle boat. I'm hoping that they can get in. Oh, I can see the shelf cloud now. Oh, that is mean. That is a mean shelf cloud. You can sort of see it in there. I'll do all I can to... Yeah, you can see it. Here it comes. Oh, that is absolutely gorgeous, but absolutely terrifying. Oh my god, that is... Oh, jeez. That is a... That thing. Look at how the winds are sculpting that. It's hard to see right now, but... Oh, man. Oh, that is terrifying. This could get really, really bad really fast. Oh, the contrast from the trees to the sky. Here, I might be able to see it better on my phone camera. I might be able to see the contrast a little bit better. The contrast from the trees to the sky is insane. The contrast from the trees to the sky is insane. I'm trying to figure out I'm trying to get a hold of the person that owns that uncovered boat to tell them to cover it as fast as they can. I don't know if they're gonna have time anymore. Oh man. That is coming. That's coming fast. I don't really want to be hanging around underneath that thing like I was the other day. There's still people. Come on, please get in, people. Oh, man. This storm is gonna be powerful. Wish I could do something with. I wish I could just like magically poof all these people back to their houses and poof their boats back to their docks and have them all be covered, but I can't. Which sucks. Oh, man. Definitely is still, looks like it's clearing out a little. There's kayakers up there still. There's still kayakers out there. And the orange boats. Those people need to get into the shore. At this point, it doesn't even, I don't think it will matter if it's even their house if they dock at. They just gotta get on land and away from the water. battery. That storm.
Yeah. Covered it last night. I got it cold.
I'm worried about that boat, the one that isn't covered.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're welcome. Do you need help covering it? All these people are getting out, which is good. Not there and have much time. There's lightning. Here comes the wind. Oh. Got it? Sure? Okay. Oh, here comes the rain. Here it comes. I gotta go. Gotta go. Oh my God. Oh, these winds are getting powerful. Oh my God, there goes a tree branch. Whole tree branch just fell. A tree branch just fell on a porch. Winds right now are probably close to 60 miles an hour. We're getting debris. Debris going through the air. Okay, I gotta close this. A tree limb fell. You good?
Yeah. I'm like, she's gonna fall in. And like, Mr. Devenall is still out there, and there's kayakers out there.
I know.
I'm gonna call 911, I think.
That's probably not a bad idea. This. Those trees are going sideways. Debris getting hurled through the air. Oh God. I gotta keep that door closed. We're getting blasted in here. I hope everyone got inside safely. Wind shifting. This is really bad. Holy crap. Oh, these winds are getting more powerful. God, I gotta shut the door. The winds out there. powerful. I need a towel. Wipe it down in here. There's huge tree limbs lying everywhere. God. I'm gonna drop a report. Doors rocking. The winds just completely switched directions. I gotta switch camera batteries. the storm passes, I'm gonna walk around doing the damage. It's easing up, which is good. Things are getting powerful again.